Hey, what's up guys? Antonio here once again with another Ford Police Interceptor how-to video. So in this video here, we have a 2015 Ford Explorer where the vents, obviously they're not here, so we have to replace them. We went ahead and ordered this from the actual dealer, from Ford directly. Finally came in. So I wanted to make a video because I really didn't see anything out there on this particular unit on how to actually replace it. So all right guys, so here we go. So the first thing that we want to do, if you have the Interceptor package, get yourself a little trim piece tool remover. Pop it in. Okay, pop in, and it should pull right out. Okay, it should pop. There we go. So it should pop completely out. Okay, you do not have to, honestly, I don't think you're gonna need to disconnect the actual air conditioning unit, but what the hell, we'll just do so. All right, 1 second. So there's a little clip on it. Push the clip and pull. All right, so let's take a look and pull. So there you go. Okay, so this is the entire front unit. Okay, oops. Okay, so now on the vents. Remember, vents, you need to make sure the right position on these vents is, you're gonna be able, you want to put this where this needs to be always or with the ability to push down. Okay, if you have it like this, it's backwards. Okay, so if you hold it straight, you're able to push it down, then obviously then you have it in the right part. Okay, and then mounting this, let's figure this out. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so mounting it is actually very easy. There is no screws, nothing that you have to clip on, okay, or screw on, to the best of my ability. Okay, there might be some at the bottom here, but I don't see where you actually screw them on. But remember, face them down, and then you have these this area here, this little foam area around it. This needs to slide in here. Okay, so let me get my fancy pointer. Okay, so this part here, okay, is gonna slide inside of this molding, this plastic molding there. Okay, and you might have to lift this up a little bit, but make sure you don't force anything. Take your time. It's really easy. It's no-brainer actually. And yeah, so here we go. Look, so make sure they're in, push, secure it. Okay, make sure they ain't going anywhere. Okay, up and down. No, there you go. Okay, there's nothing really holding it, okay, on the sides or anything. So as long as you feel the new vent completely inside and it's not wiggling, it's steady and firm, then you should be good. Okay, so remember, make sure make sure you're able to push these down. Okay, if you can't push them down, then you have them backwards. Okay, so once you have them, let me actually, hold on, let me check the back part. Yeah, the back part is completely flushed. There is nothing there. Let me put the company name, company cap here. Okay, so yeah, all right, so now let's grab our trim piece. Okay, and you want to be careful with this unit here. The last thing you want to do is damage it or break it, because there is some flimsy parts in the bottom of it, right, that design doesn't seem, I don't know, it's not as sturdy as this should be. But go ahead and connect your AC, right? Yeah, your air conditioning. One plug in, bam. Okay, go ahead and bring it in. Be careful with your lever here. Okay, and you want to push the bottom ones in. Okay, the bottom in first. Push the bottom ones in. You should have there's designated holes for where the actual clips actually enter. So they kind of just fall into place. Okay. And pick this, you gotta pick this up a little bit and push. Give it a little whack. Okay, it seems to be fine. There we go. Make sure the bottom one is in as well. Perfect. And you know what? Let's unscrew this top part. Let's see what's up here. I think we're good. There's nothing really there. So yeah, we're good to go. It's not flimsy, it's not moving around. There's no screws, but cool. I hope it's straight, but pretty easy, guys. So there you go. This is how you replace centered vent on a 2015 Ford Explorer Police Interceptor. And hope I was able to help you, guide you, and educate you on this. I know I appreciate you watching, and consider hitting the subscribe button and the like button for the YouTube algorithm for more of these cool Ford Interceptor videos. Okay guys, thanks for watching and have a beautiful rest of day. Thanks. Bye.